Hello everyone and welcome back again. In this video we will start practicing, or we can say we will start apply what we have already learned in this course about animations, transitions and something like this. So I will try to make exactly like this animation or like this slide in this way. So now I will try to apply it. I will try to create something like this exactly. So just try to be with me. So here I will start. I will just create a blank one. So the first thing I have to change the background like this here to add the background image from the internet. So maybe I will add another background, it's no problem, like this one for example. So I can just right click and format background as you have already knew, and then go to picture here and insert, and we have online picture. Of course you need internet connection here, or if you don't have internet connection you can add the picture from your computer if you already have one, something like this, to find any background picture to add it as a background here. So yes, I think this one or this one is nice. So for example I have to add this one and then insert. Now I add the picture as a background in my slide like this picture. As you can see here, we add some color, change the color here, or add some like a brightness on the image here. So you can do that from here, format background and picture corrections and the brightness. So I can change that here to working with this image. I can add a little bit, yes, maybe like this. Then go to insert, and then we have samples here, and then we have the shapes here. So I want to add this shape, just a circle here. So you can working with the circle from here. For example, go to format, and then I can add some I can change the width of the outline or width of the border here. For example, I can make it something like this, and then I can change the color to the white, for example, to make it like this. Also I need to add some transparency here a little bit. So here transparency, and you can see I can make it like this, or maybe only like this, it will be good like this. Then I have to duplicate this one, so maybe I want just to add 3 here for example. So I have just to add a 3 here. I have to change the color from this one to this color, for example, and change the color for this one to the black, for example. Here I can add an icon. So from insert as well, you can go to icons, and also from internet you can find some icons for that. So here, for example, I will just select some of those. For example, this one, click on it, and this one you can click again, and maybe this one, just example. We have only 3, so I just add 3 here and insert, and just waiting to download it from the internet or from this here. So downloading pictures, like not a picture but an icon, but it's not a big difference. The icon is different because you can change the color of the icon. You can working with this icon as a text, so you can change the color, change the size, and so on. So here, as you can see, so first one I can add this one here, and here, for example, I add this one, and here I can add this one. As I said, you can change the color, so I just selected, and from here fill, I can make it white, for example. Maybe here I can make it a black. Maybe it will be better a little bit, I'm not sure, but yes. Here I can add a group, as we have already knew. Just hit in the control in the keyboard and click here and click here, and then control G in the keyboard, or just from here from format, and we have a group, and you can click on the group. So now I just make both as a one group. Same thing apply this here, click here and then click here and control G. Same thing here, click here and then control G. Now I need to add like this here, so I can easily add something like this from insert and then shapes. In the shapes you can find everything, so I add this one. So from here I can link between this one and this one in this way. Now I have to change this line. So from shape outline you can do that, or from here, but maybe from shape outlines more advanced. so I can make it white, the color, and then I have to change the width. For that, maybe I can make it like this, and also I can change it to the dash. So from here you can select dash. So now I make it like this. Now I can just copy paste or just duplicate this one to paste it here, and then I can use that here as well to link between this one and this one. Finish that. Here I can add like this, for example. Of course you will have to create a custom one by yourself, so you can just click here. I can add a one here like this, as you can see, to the white. I can change the width, for example, from here, so I can add this width, and then I can copy paste or just duplicate by the hit the control on the keyboard, and then just make a connection between both in this way, for example, any way you want, anything here, and then select both and then control G, so I add a new one here. So I can just add it in this way and duplicate again, or copy paste, control C, control V to add another one here, for example, and you can change it in this way. Just an example, as you know. And then here same thing, I can add another one. After that I need to add some text, so from here insert and text box. So here I add some text, for example topic 1, and change the color to the, I can change the size, make it bold, and also I can change the color to the white here. Then same thing here, and I just to copy paste it, and then here I need topic 2, for example. After that select that to add a topic 3 like this here. So I already finished everything. It's exactly like this, same thing, but this a little bit different, but same idea, I mean. So now I just need to add the animation. So as you can see here, the animation is like this. Maybe I'll add different animation as you want. It's just your choice. So here I just click one time, and then you can see start with this one, and then the text, and after that the last one will be the link. So you can add something like this here. Same thing, start with this one, then go to animation. You can add the animation pan to find everything here. I can delete this one, so add here. So for example here I need all animations from the entrance type because nothing exists in the screen initially. So I can add, for example, this one here. In this way I can also change the duration from here. Then this one, click here, and then you can same thing, add a fly in, another one, change the duration from here, and you can change it as well, not on a click but after previous. But now I need this one. After this one finish, this one start, this with the topic. So I can hit on both and then control G to add, make it just one object, and here same thing, control G to make it one object, and here control, select both and control G to make it also one object. So here the first one, and after that we'll create this one separate, second one. So this one will be the second one, should be, not the third one. So I can just click here and add it here. So now this one first, and then we have the second one. This one should be after previous. So after this one finish, start this one, right? Then here start this. After that I need this one. So here same thing, split, and I can make it also after a previous. Then I need this one to add split again, and this one after, same thing but after previous, say only after previous. And then after complete everything I need this one to start like a wipe here, also after previous, and this one also like this and after previous. Now we finish the animation, finish everything. We can just start our presentation. I need just one click for the first one and then just waiting for everything. So now the first one, then the second one, after that the second one should be after previous. I didn't make it like this, sorry, so just make it after previous. So again after previous, this one will be after previous as well. I didn't make it like this, so just again just one click and then the first one will start working, and then this one after previous, after that this one, and then after previous and this one after that. Great, this one. So I think it's very easy if you already understand the animations, the types of animations and everything. So this one will be very easy for you. I hope you understand that, and thank you very much.